of the CS for IT was addressing earlier on. But let's listen into what's happening as the KCSE examinations are being distributed in Nyeri County.
And we are actually also monitoring what is happening on the ground. We don't have a history of exam malpractice in Nyeri, but of course we are not taking chances. So it's the candidates now to prove themselves. And I want to reassure them that all checks and balances have been put in place to ensure that we don't have any incidences of insecurity or any incidents of malpractice. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And those are images that are coming live from Nyeri County. And that is after the examinations, the container that was containing the examinations was opened and distribution has begun. Remember, the KCPE starts today countrywide. And this may have been overtaken by events, political events, but it is still very important for the nation. And there we had the ICT CS Joe